Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Religiously Fit and to my running streak for 30 days. So guys, today is day number 21 and today's day was a little different from the other 20 days. Today I felt like not running, okay, and actually like absolutely not running. So I started my run. Like basically I woke up and I slept like 8 or 9 hours, which is the maximum in last 20 days. And I felt good and I felt like everything was okay before I was leaving. And when I started my run, it was like 1 kilometer, maybe 1.5. Then I stopped running. I did not feel like running, okay, completely stopped, like switch off. So then I talked to myself, but it was not working. But then I said that I have to keep running. So I just slowly started kind of jogging or running, very very slowly. But then again I stopped. After a few hundred meters. So I felt something is wrong today, and I don't know what is it, but I feel like everything has stopped. Everything has stopped working inside my brain, inside my mind, and I won't be able to run. So sometimes you feel you are there, but you are not there, and sometimes when you are not there, you have to be there. So you bring yourself there, okay. So obviously I have to try because I cannot stop running because I have decided for 30 days. So I just put a song. Like usually I don't listen to songs and during my running. Like usually I don't hear anything, like don't use song or anything. I just put my AirPods in case I want to, but I usually don't use. I just like the sound of like birds and my feet. So that keeps me grounded. That keeps me that makes me in the present. Like that makes me ensures that I am in the present moment. So that's the thing. But then today I put some song and I just started running back again. I said that I have to run. I cannot stop. I know that I'm stopping and I don't want to run, but I cannot stop. I have to keep running. So I put some nice music, and then my last almost 3 kilometers were very nice. Again, the pace was very good. It was much better than the first 2 kilometers. And total I ran for like 5.5. The average pace was 6 minutes 26 seconds, which is not that great, not that ideal as compared to last 20 days run, but it's okay. Like when you are consistent, it doesn't matter like what marks are you achieving, what metrics are you achieving. The most important thing that you are keeping it going, okay. You are still doing what needs to be done and you are being consistent. So that's the most important thing to do. Today, as I said, I did not feel like running. I stopped between the run, so I could have stopped also. If I would have stopped, then my 30-day challenge would have been like gone. So when you start training yourself, when you start training your mind, and once you get into some momentum, that momentum will help you keep going, and that won't let you stop. Because today my body like gave it, and my mind was already it was all done, like zero, absolutely zero. But somewhere I think maybe the discipline, maybe the 20-day run, it motivated me to keep going, and then I kept going. So today's day, there is no wisdom, there is no gyan, there is no nothing. I felt like the discipline is the key. If you are disciplined enough, you will keep going. So that's the thing. I completed my 100 push-ups as well. So day number 21, all good, all done, and I'm happy and proud again. So I'll see you tomorrow. In the meantime, have some rest, have some good nice nutrition, and I'll see you on day number 22.